Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Halloween, witches. Hope you guys are having a fabulous celebration, and if you watched this video the day after, hope you guys had a fabulous Halloween. Today I'm going to share with you how to make these super cute junk journal clusters, which can be used for embellishments, gift tags, to put on your cards, as a present toppers. You can do anything that you want with it. And actually this one here, this print matches my shirt, so if you see that leaves, it's not that intentional, I just noticed that when I was getting changed. So yeah, lovely junk journals, clusters and embellishment. Again, very versatile. Keep watching the tutorial, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so let me explain what I have in my head and I'm hoping that I will explain what's going on in my head clearly. So what I wanted to do, you know how much I am obsessed with this die here. It's my favorite ultimate piece of die. So if I say to you, what's your favorite die cut, this one it is. I've done probably like 9,500 videos using this, but I love it so much. Now, it's from Stampin' Up, but unfortunately, I don't know the name on it. And if you guys know, please let me know in the comment, because I will happily see if I can find it on eBay and buy a couple of more, because I used it quite frequently and I love it. Absolutely love it. So it's like a circle die, it's like in a diamond sort of shape. So yeah, I love it so much. What I did, I die cut two different sheets. This one here is just a normal craft paper, so if I put it on a white background, you can see how beautiful it cuts. Honestly, so beautiful. And this one here, it was some packaging from Amazon. I ordered a few bits. It's like a grey, it's more grey than brown, but it's more grey than brown, if it makes sense, because if I put them next to each other, you can definitely see the difference. This one is slightly thinner than the craft cardstock, so I'm not sure if it's going to work, but let's try. Let's have a look and see if it's going to work. So what I wanted to do, I want to create some embellishment using, there is two grey, where is the second? There he is. Yeah, you see things disappear. I wanted to use my leaves kit that I released not long ago. Is the Autumn in the Field leaves. It's basically the same kit that I have used to make the garlands. I know how much you guys love this video, this project. I had so many really wonderful comments about this wreath. Again, if you missed it, I will put the link down below. I love it. Even Jamie said, oh, did you make this? And I was like, yeah, it's my kit. So, oh, it looks very professional. And I was like, oh, thanks. He always gave me compliments. But yeah, it was a pleasantly surprised, like, did you actually make that? I was like, yes, of course. What are you trying to say? So my process is, I want to cut the sleeves and basically do a layering of these leaves, part of this autumnal kit, using my new Butterflies Fussy Cut. Again, I have two of those kits on the website. One is very old. I've done it a long time ago. Let me just have a sip of my tea. You got all different colors butterflies. You got pink, blue, yellow, there's some green, all different colors. Those ones here, the kit number 2, is more autumnal. So as you can see, you got these colors patterns. They're quite dark and autumnal. You still got some blue and yellow, but the majority of those butterflies are very autumnal. See, there is some green, olive green. It looks brown on camera, but it's more like an olive green. That's probably my favorite. It's got some blue, some burgundy and some yellow. So yeah, I love. Oh, I love this. I love this kit. So that's my favorite as well. So I'm gonna definitely use, I'm probably gonna use that. We got 4, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. So each embellishment, each cluster will have the leaves and butterflies. And then I thought, to make a bit random, who doesn't like random things, we're going to use these numbers. They are part of my Lucky Bingo kit. It's the kit I've released a long time ago. It's the kit that you see all the proper bingo cards, and you've got these numbers that you can fussy cut. You've got these numbers in 5, 6 different colors. So I thought it will look quite nice. Maybe, you know, this sort of leaves a butterfly and a number, just because I want to do some embellishment. But also what I like about this, that you can use them as gift tags, so you can put it, you can hang them on your present, also as a present topper. So if you got a box, you put this on the lid with an embellishment. I think it's going to look really pretty. Let me make them and I'll show you in just a second what I mean. We put it together, we put the things, the classes together, but I'm going to fussy cut these bits off camera because you know how to fussy cut, so I don't want to bother anybody. Also, I want my videos to be 10 minutes, like New Year's resolution 2023. Antonio makes videos are 11-12 minutes max. If it's any longer than that, you guys don't watch it. You put a ban of my videos. No, don't. Right, let me fussy cut it. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so got it. I got the 4 leaves there. Then I got my numbers. So I was debating which number to pick. So 5 is my lucky number. I don't know about you guys, but I am very, is that fatalist? Is that the word? I don't think we all live random lives. And a lot of things in my life have happened around this number here. I was born this day as well. So that's my date of birth, 5th of April 1985. So I'm 37 years old, or years young, as I say. Gay don't age. We do. So yeah, so a lot of things in my life have happened around this number, and it's so fascinating because I do not believe it's pure random. It can be. So what is your lucky number? Leave me a comment down below. I'm very, very interested. So yeah, so that's the 4 numbers. That's the 4 butterflies. And then funny enough, and I've not done that intentionally, they all got 4 different sizes. That's the 4 clusters. And then what I thought we'd do today, we're going to use these. They are the Tim Holtz overpriced ephemera. I paid £9.99 for this packet. Never ever again. So when I get the chance, I will use this because I don't want to see them again. This was the worst purchase I ever made. I mean, you pay for Tim Holtz name, of course, but the quality of this print is absolutely like it's so poor, and also everything is so tiny. I mean, look at this. Look how bad it's been badly printed and die cut either. So you pay. I mean, there was a full bags, so this is what the bits I've got left, but oh my goodness, no. So sorry, Tim Holtz, for this. I love your paper dolls, I love a lot of your papers, but this ephemera pack, no, fail, worst, waste of space. I mean, what is even this? Anyway, so I'm just gonna pick up 4 different small things. Just want to add an extra texture and things. I might just pick that. I mean, you might have a totally different opinion. You might love this paper, this ephemera pack, but me, no, not $9.99. I was thinking to use some tickets. This from, you see, I love this. This from Tim Holtz. I can't remember how much I paid for those, but you get loads, and it's really, really good quality. So they are the tickets, strips things. Oh yes, I thought they were too big, but they're not. So just gonna pick 4 different colors. Bear with me while I'm picking. Should have done this off camera. I just want to pick 4 different colors and texture and sizes, if I may. That might be too big. We can cover it. So yeah, and I've used these are I bought this on eBay. They're like DVD cases. Paco 25, I want to say. Very, very old. So what I do, let me put things in groups so I know what I'm doing. So I've got 4 butterflies, 4 numbers and 4 leaves. Right, so on each of them I want a leaf. Now, because I don't want to cover the diamond, the actual base of the tag or cluster, let's call it cluster, just for right, this I think is going to be a challenge, because you see, that is the reason why I don't do glue bottles, because they never bleeding work. It's so frustrating. 4 minutes on part 2 of this part of the video, not done anything yet. Right, so sorry bottle, you're gonna go there, and I'm going to get my beloved brush. See, that's why I love using brushes, because the bottle of glue are a waste of space. Yes, I'm complaining, I'm putting 4 more complain. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do, just gonna put some glue. Sorry guys, I'm on one of this mood today. I'm not complaining, but we pay things with our money and we work hard for our money. So if we buy things, they need to be worth it, and they need to work, and they need to justify the money. So no, T-moles, no bottle of glue. You're going in the bin. No. So I don't want to do too green, so I put that in there. What I want to do, I want to get rid, because they are attached to one another, so just gonna trim that little bit because it's annoying me. Get rid of these. There are no rules how you put this together. I'm just gonna do one with you, and then I'll do the other ones off camera. So that is the center. That's the center there. So the butterfly would be the last, which I'm gonna put in there. I might do, so put butterfly there, might put this there. What are you guys doing tonight for Halloween? We happily stay at home waiting for the lovely children to come and trick-or-treat. Got lots of sweets, so happy Halloween everyone. To all the witches that are watching the video, hello sisters. Me and Jamie want to watch Hocus Pocus #2. Jamie's favourite movie ever, not Halloween in general, is Hocus Pocus. He's obsessed with that movie. It's his favourite movie. He knows every dialogue. He knows exactly what they're about to say. That is crazy. He was his favourite movie. So we going to go and watch the second one. I think it's on Netflix, but I'm not entirely sure. So yeah, so that's kind of what I wanted to do. Okay, so very simple, because I still want to showcase the diamond. I call it diamond, I don't know how else to call it. It looks like a dream catcher as well. You can make paper dream catcher for your journals. Interesting. Right, what was I saying? So yeah, so I'm gonna make the rest and I'll be right back. Okay, I put them in on a white background so you probably see them better rather than you see them on the desk, because the desk surface is very shiny. So here you get the shyness from the light. So before I show you the classes, I just want to say a big thank you. Well, first of all, to every single one of you, because you guys are so awesome. You watch my videos, you like them because you see lots of thumbs up, and also you take the time to leave comments, and I really appreciate everything that you guys do for me. And today, big shout out, big thank you goes to lovely Paula. It says, just put the comments on the screen. She really loves the beautiful work that I do, and he always put big smiles on my face when I read your comments, because I don't think everything I make is great, and it's not the purpose of the channel. That this channel is showing a journey, then I'm learning things and try things with you, and also I want you guys to give me feedback and be part of this, because I'm not this sort of channel. I told you a million times, this is not a how-to channel. I'm not pretend to be an expert of anything. I'm probably good at designing kits because that's my background, but for everything that involves creativity, it's very live and interactions. I'll just try different things. So yeah, so I'm very, very excited, because also next week we're gonna start Christmas project, full on Christmas. So this week will be the last week of autumnal projects, hence why my inspiration for this project today. And then next week we'll be starting full on Christmas. I got a Christmas playlist on my channel, so if you guys want to have a look at what I did at the previous Christmases, if you're already Christmas crafting and you want some ideas, I put the link of my playlist down below, so you guys can go and have a look. And I also want to showcase and share every video. I want to share a member of my design team. It's not I call them creative squad, because design team to me is somebody that actually design. These lovely ladies, they're part of my creative squad. They do and create wonderful projects showcasing my kits. So you see all the different channels listed on the info box. So if you click on it, you see my creative squad members, you see all the lovely ladies. And today big shout out goes to the lovely Claire Hutton. She's based here in UK, and her channel is Purple Poppy. She's got Instagram as well, so she's very active on social media. So go and see Claire's and go and see the rest of the girls. So very, very talented people. So very quickly, instead of moving them, I'm just gonna move the page. So as you normally know, if you watch my video religiously, you know guys that I tend to glue my butterflies just in the middle of the body so the wings stay up, because I want them to be quite, give the impression of 3D, the actual butterflies actually flying. So that's what I mean. So you can use this on your junk journals, but also as a gift tags, or to put it on your cards, or as an embellishment. You can do anything that you want with this. And because you can use your scraps as well, you don't need to use the things I've used. I mean, if you've got packs of overpriced ephemera as well, use them as well, because you want to get rid of them. So these projects are great to use small things that got small details in it. Hence why I've used the tickets and my numbers, from the Lucky Bingo kit. Because with this small, when you got a small surface to work with, if you use bigger things, you lose that detail. So if you use small things, you give them some attention to little details in there. Okay guys, that's it. I'm going to start talking forever and you guys going to fall asleep, and I don't want that. I mean, if you want to have a nap, by all means listen to my video and have a nap. I don't get offended, absolutely. So yeah, that's it for today guys. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I will put the links of everything I have used today in the link in the info box, so you guys can go and check it out. Happy Halloween, witches. Enjoy your night, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well.